Get your spoon. What do you do with your spoon? Take a bite. Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Good
She
job!
says cheese. Cheese. Macaroni. Cheese. Bread. Cheese.
Good
You hear it?
job!
Good job. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese!
Cheese.
Cheese!
Decided to eat, isn't that great? Sat here long enough, huh?
No.
No, Mama, take a picture. Put your spoon in your mouth.
Where's your spoon? She looked like she just rolled her eyes at you.
She sure did.
Where's your spoon?
Poor that little old lady, bless her heart today, made her cry.
Oh, I know.
I felt bad for her.